insanity, driven vanity. Had to be on my mouth full of cavities. Kid from the south with the Amityville calamity. Feel family, fan of me, yes you are. Down to be no a star. See the best of me was destined to wreck up the record restlessly, relentlessly. The rest of you could suck on my left testicle, testing you. Nah, CSG the terrible, the incredible. Never been credited for anything. Pull a string every time I sing, every time I bring everything to the ring. Shout out to M16 for giving me the key to MCing. The reason that I'm believing it's the time of the season. Hey yo, I'm done with the teasing. My dreams are falling in place. Yo, it's a fall I've embraced. It ain't no fall to the face. I'm almost there, hard-headed and bare. So listen up, you squares, cause Mike just dropped a sample and Chris made an example. Yo, I'm rocking and popping off. I'm toppling all you bluffs, head eggs and gritty eyes. So tell me, did I flop it? Nah, I fucking rocked it. I dropped the words and bombed it, mopped up when I was getting messy. Got up from the narcolepsy. I'm done with this fucking session.